Do you like it, Kuya?
No.
No.
I love it.
Sure. Hello everyone! Naanapod mi ang inyong feeling vlogger nga gamay rag follower. For today's video is kakain kami ng palabok. So, first time kong magluto ng palabok. At saka, first time din ng mga anak ko kumain ng palabok. So, let's see their reaction later. So, ayan na yung sauce. Ito yung palabok sauce. Ayan. Mukhang masarap ah. First time ko magluto ng palabok. Saka first time na mga anak ko kakain ng palabok. At saka ito yung palabok natin. Ayan, nag-boil na siya. At syempre yung boiled egg natin para toppings mamaya. Ayan. Kaya lang wala akong chicharon. Walang chicharon dito. Kaya palabok without chicharon. Ang kakainin namin. Ayan na. So ready na yung sauce. Off na natin. Yan yung tanim ko, oh, orchids. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang dami ng daming bulaklak. Yan. Tsaka ito din ang tanim kong lemongrass tanglad. Tsaka meron din akong tanim na calamansi. Ayan. Maraming bunga pero maliit pa. Hindi pa siya pwedeng kunin para sawsawan. Ayan. Marami yung bunga. Nasa likod yung iba. So, ayan na. Ready na yung palabok. So, first time lang kakain ng palabok. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. You have to mix it up. Mix it.
Can I try the shrimp? After a long time.
You had to mix it. Have to mix it all up before you eat it.
How is it clear?
Like that. Mix it all up.
How's the noodles clear?
Because that's the palabok one. It's the same as bihon, but the bihon is thinner. That one is thicker. Palabok is thicker.
What's bihon again?
Bihon, the thin one, you keep eating it before. So it's your first time eating palabok, so let's see if you like it or not.
Oh, bihon.
What's it, Mom? Mommy?
What can you say about the palabok?
It's better than the pancit and it's very delicious. I agree.
Yeah, you agree. How about you, Jackie? Do you agree?
Yeah.
Palabok better than pancit? Yeah.
Pencil.
Pancit. Palabok. Special palabok. Made from the cornstarch. A cornstarch noodles. A corn noodles. Palabok. Yan, na-mix na nila. Ito naman yung sa akin. Yan. Jackie, do you like the palabok?
Yeah.
Is it hot? Yummy palabok. It's been a long time I did not eat palabok. So, when was... I think the last time I ate palabok, it was 2012. Give her tissue kasi please. 2012, so...
It's been 12 years.
Yeah, 12 years I did not eat palabok.
That's so long.
Yeah, because I don't know how to do it, and I couldn't find the palabok noodles in the Asian store. Then, last week, when we've been to the... What you call that? The Thailand store, I found the palabok, so I bought it, and I'm thinking to cook the palabok for the first time.
It's your very first time cooking palabok?
Yeah, it's my first time, but I always ate palabok before. In the Carinderia. It's a restaurant in the Philippines.
Okay.
Like a restaurant beside the street. So yung nana. Oh, yummy palabok! Do you like it, Jackie? Yes. Palabok na walang chicharon tsaka walang kalamansi.
What?
Walang kalamansi. Kasi yung kalamansi ko hindi pa pwedeng harvestin. May kalamansi akong tanim dito. Kaya lang maliit pa so hindi pa pwedeng harvestin. So, yan lang muna. Palabok na walang chicharon tsaka walang lemon or kalamansi. Kalimutan ko rin bumili ng lemon. Pero okay lang, masarap din naman. Sabi ng mga anak ko, masarap daw. Better daw it's better daw kaysa pansit. Mas masarap daw ang palabok kaysa pansit. So, buti na lang nagustuhan nila. Yummy, yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yan, sarap na sarap sila. So, tikman ko nga yung luto kong palabok. Kung masarap ba talaga. Yan, tikman ko yung palabok. Yung luto kong palabok kung masarap ba talaga. Sabi ng mga anak ko, masarap daw. So, titikman ko kung totoo bang masarap. Masarap nga. Masarap siya. Ano to, ginaya ko lang din to sa sa YouTube. Kasi hindi ako marunong magluto ng ng palabok, kaya sinerch ko sa YouTube, hatukok palabok, saka may nakita ako kung paano nila niluto. Kaya lang kulang sa sahog kasi wala kaming chicharon. Saka wala din akong aswete. So ang ginamit ko is yung tawag dito. Instead na aswete, ginamit ko yung turmeric para pampakulay, yellow. Kaya yun, masarap din naman. Masarap siya, in fairness. Mas masarap siguro to kapag may chicharon tsaka may kalamansi. Kaya lang wala kaming kalamansi at saka walang chicharon. Kaya kulang sa sahog. So next time, bibili ako ng chicharon sa doon sa Thailand store kapag babalik kami sa town. Siguro bukas. Do you like it, kasi? Yeah, nice. Do you like it, William?
No.
No.
I love it.
Do you like it, Jackie? Yes. Nice. Filipino food is the best. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes. But I still prefer No, I still prefer... What's it called? Sinigang.
Good boy.
Sinigang
Sinigang.
is still my favorite Filipino food.
Okay.
Food.
So you like soup? Okay. Okay, madam.
This reminds me of spaghetti.
Remind you of spaghetti?
Because it's the same shape as spaghetti.
Yeah, but it says on the label made from the cornstarch. So this one is a corn noodles.
Called
Corn noodles.
palabok.
Palabok. Yeah, palabok.
That's
Pansit palabok.
So this is pancit palabok.
Yeah, this is pansit palabok. Yeah.
answer.
Yeah, pansit palabok.
I thought pancit and palabok has a difference.
Yeah, because pansit is made from the flour, I think. Or egg and flour, maybe. And the bihon is made from rice.
Chicken make egg.
Yeah. And this palabok is made from the corn. So they are different.
The chicken makes egg.
Yeah, yes. Come on, eat now, eat.
Jackie, please can we swap?
Yes.
You wanna swap it? Kasi, Jackie? Ayan, nakipag-swap na si Kasi sa kapatid niya. Kasi malapit ang maubos. Ayan, nakipag-swap siya kasi marami pa yung kay Jackie. Ayan, marami pa. Tapos yung sa kanya, konti na lang.
What does a papaya taste like?
Nabitin si Kasi, kaya yung kinuha yung sa kapatid niya. Masarap pan sa palabok. Masarap lang palabok.
But the papaya tastes like something yummy.
A Google.
Is it very nice, Kasi?
Yeah.
It's very yucks, Cassie.
Yeah.
Amaw.
There's lots of ginger. Yeah, I have shrimp.
What's shrimp?
Eat, Jackie, eat. It's yummy.
I can't find shrimp.
Just eat the chicken instead of the noodles. It's nice.
Can I swap again?
She wants to swap again, Kasi.
I'm full and I'm gonna save some for later. It was very delicious. This is
Save for
my
later. Yeah, you're full because you swap Jackie's food.
I know.
Ayan yung plato ni Philia. Ayan. May konting natira.
There's also onion on it.
Itong kay Jackie naman yan. May konting natira na rin.
Shrimp.
Yan si Kasi yan. Nakipag-swap siya sa... Sorry. Kay Jackie. Tapos hindi niya naman pala maubos.
I'm gonna save this for later.
Save it for later. Okay.
I tried another Filipino food and it was so delicious as always. I bet all Filipino foods are always delicious.
Yeah. Okay. That's it for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video namin. At sa mga nag-subscribe, maraming salamat. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe nyo naman kami. At please like our videos na rin. And shout out to Sabaulan Ares. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And see you next video. Bye!